Hey guys, it's Ashley, your independent Scentsy consultant. So I'm so excited. I'm finally coming on to share the Whiff box for August. Yes, I realize what's the day? It's August 20th today. Yes, I'm probably the last person on the internet to be sharing this box because it's so late this month. But I had a product on back order. So my box just didn't get here until now. So I've seen so many sneak peeks. You guys, this is the month I was like, I'm not gonna look at a sneak peek. It's the 20th. I've seen a sneak peek. So I just wanna get into it and share it with you guys. You guys also have probably all seen sneak peeks by now, but let's just chat anyway. It's a really good box. So we have our little, flyer. It has all these nice, it says feel good notes. It's like, you are appreciated. You make me smile. These are cute. I like these. You could cut those out and put them in some places. I think in here it told you what we're getting, like a sneak peek. It says somewhere, I think. Oh, yeah. It says it's that time of year again. A new Scentsy catalog is launched. For the season, we're embracing the theme above and beyond. In addition to new products and fragrances from the fall-winter catalog, your August Whiff box also includes a mini Fan Diffuser. We've even added a copy of the new catalog. Yay! So let's get into it. The first thing right on top is the mini Fan Diffuser. This is so exciting that this is in here. I think everyone is getting the color silver. So this is really cool that they send this out to you. This is $15 value and the box is $30. If you had it in your Scentsy Club subscription for half off, aka $15, you paid for this and everything else is free. Like, that's crazy to me. So basically, it's like this little spaceship device, but it's a fan inside. And so on the bottom, it sucks through air and then out the top through our Scentsy pods. And then you just plug in this little cord that comes with it that has a USB. And so, say you plug it into your laptop or something, every time you boot up your laptop, it's gonna turn this baby on and kick out the fragrance. I love mini fans. I have one in my car and I have it plugged into the USB in my car. So every time I turn the car on, the fan turns on. When I turn the car off, the fan turns off. It's like the perfect setup. So I'm going to see if maybe Corey wants to use this one. I really was thinking about getting the marble one, but now that I have silver and I also have blush or pink or one of those two, I think it's blush. I feel like that's kind of a lot, but also, I don't know. I really like the look of the marble one. So if you wanted to plug that into a wall, I'm gonna leave it out so I can show you how it works with the pods, because the nice thing about them including this, they also included a set of pods. So they included Cloudberry Dreams. I'm thinking they included this scent because it is in a lot of new products this year. I'm dropping stuff. So let's get out the catalog they gave us. Mine is looking a little bit beat up. This is not going out to anyone in this state. Oh, come on. It ripped it. It's looking a little bit rough. This is gonna be my copy. Okay, so let's go to Cloudberry Dreams. Goodness sakes, what a mess. Okay, it's in the fruity category. It says sweet raspberry in a whisper of rose, soar through billowy bursts of peach and vanilla. This isn't my favorite scent by any means, but sometimes I like things differently in pods than in the wax. So here we go. I feel like you kind of get the rose, but maybe not as much as in the wax. Like, I feel like I get the raspberry, peach, and vanilla. Mostly raspberry and peach. So I'm gonna give it a try in the pods. I was gonna show you how it works. So basically what you do, this is your mini fan. You just pop it on like this. I like to do it upside down. I feel like it just fits the best. If you do it this way, it kind of can like slide around a lot. And I know people talk about if you have this in your car or somewhere you're a little bit unsure of it falling off, you can take off this tape and put it like over like this. What I do is I thought I maybe had one close. I literally like take a hair tie and just wrap it all the way around and put it in my car. So even if it's upside down for days, like it really doesn't matter. It's not going anywhere because it's completely secured with a hair tie. Some people obviously might not like the look of that. Maybe they think that looks odd. But I have mine set like that just in case I'm really driving crazy and something slides all over. This sucker's not going anywhere because I have it secured with a hair tie. So this is basically what it looks like. Clearly, like, it really fits one. I mean, if you were getting really wild and had this maybe like set down somewhere solid, you could maybe stack two. It's not clearly like made for this because like she slides right off, you know? So like it's not made to be that way. But if you're getting creative and it's just setting, maybe it would work out. But our Scentsy Go's, our wall fans, those fit too. This is really made for, it's a mini version. I think it's made for just one. So there you have it. That is the lowdown on the mini fan, which again, this is $15 right here. What a fun gift. Like, if you're gonna gift a Whiff box, this is the one to gift. It's amazing. Okay, $15, boom, $10, $25 bundle. The box is $30. Can't believe it. Okay, next we have, and I'm so excited about this, Jeweled Pomegranate Hand Soap. I loved Jeweled Pomegranate last year, but I did not put it in my club because I was like, I just feel like the wax, not that it's generic, but I feel like it's kind of generic for the season, but I really, really liked it. So I'm excited it's back. The notes are shimmering pomegranate, sugared mandarin, and cinnamon. I'm not gonna open this soap, but I've had the wax before. It's kind of just like a nice fall fruity scent with a hint of cinnamon. Like, it's very, very fall appropriate. It makes me feel like a very November type of scent. And I'm really excited it's in the body line. I can see why people are like, they should have chose something else, which I totally can agree with. But also, I feel like it's a nice body care scent that's not like so fall. If you don't like fall, people wouldn't like it, you know what I mean? Because obviously if you did something like a cider mill or that type of thing, it's pretty specific to fall, whereas I feel like Jeweled Pomegranate, they could potentially keep going forward and not have to discontinue it after the fall, if that makes sense. Because I feel like those types of products, even like cleaning, Cloudberry Dreams, they don't want to just have them for one catalog season and discontinue them. They like to keep them for a little bit. That's my speculation. So there you have it. We got the bag with the ice pack, which means there's mouthfuls. I love that Scentsy includes this for you guys. It's so nice they include that because most vendors make you pay for ice packs that get included. But Scentsy does not do that. So they do give you an ice pack. This sucker's melted because I live the farthest away from Idaho, but not closer to any other distribution center. So it takes me like 5 days to get a package. So that is melted. I know Patricia talked about this though. These are nice containers. You could like line a small trash can with this and hot dump your wax if you're really into that, because nothing's gonna like melt through this because it's like bubble wrapped and like it's a little bit thicker. It's not like just dumping stuff into a plastic bag. So FYI. So in the little bag, we got 3 wax items. First, we got a full bar of a new release scent in Scarlet Sunflower. So this is juicy apple and a hint of red cranberry are brightened by a scarlet sunflower turning to face the sun. I really like this one, you guys. It's so fresh and fruity. Maybe like a slight hint of floral, but it's so perfect for this time of year. And it's such a unique scent because I think when you think of a sunflower, you don't think of it having a scent. But this is just so nice. I'm really excited they sent this out because I think a lot of people will like it, but they would be scared to try it just because of the notes are kind of just different, you know what I mean? But it's really, really good. I mainly get apple and some other fruit. I don't know that I would call it specifically cranberry. Maybe more cranberry on the bottom. Apple on the top. And then just like a hint of a floral, which I guess they're calling sunflower. There you have it. We also got a little sample cup, which these sample cups are a lot of cute. Like they're, I would say, at least 1.5 cubes, if not 2 cubes. Like they are pretty big. I mean, look at the size in comparison. I would say they're maybe 2 cubes. Just saying. So you could easily split this among 2 warmers. I could even see splitting this among 3 warmers because it's pretty big if you were like very conscious of how much wax you put in. Anyway, the sample's in cashmere and corduroy. How many, like how long could I delay that? Oh my gosh. So this is in the woods category. It says, wrap yourself up in the coziness of creamy vanilla, Sicilian bergamot, and cashmere sandalwood. Sneak peek, because I'm doing a warm review of all of the new releases. This is another new release. That's been my favorite so far. I still have to get to like Graham Cracker Crunch and like some of the other ones I think I'm really gonna like. But I did this one first because I had the lowest expectations for it. And it's been my favorite. It's really, really good. I wouldn't even say like I get a specific note of these notes. It's just so like feminine, but not like perfumey. It's just like a very nice, fresh, expensive smelling, clean spa. Like it's just like, you know what you think expensive, like rich people's homes smell like? It's this. Like it's just so, like maybe this is their nice bedroom scent because they have a lot of money and a cleaner comes and cleans their house. Like this is what it makes me think of. I just warmed it here in my office. It did phenomenal. It was an amazing performer. It did so well. But I need to continue to warm it in the rest of my house. But it was so beautiful. I think the sandalwood isn't too woody. It really mixes with the vanilla really well. It's not like a sandalwood that makes you think of like you're about to like, I don't know, some sandalwoods are just so woody they make me think of almost a bonfire. I don't know why, but I really like sandalwoods with a lot of vanilla that kind of makes it a more smooth, creamy, and you kind of get a little of that bergamot. Like it's just such a nice scent. So I'm not gonna open this because I feel like I could easily send this to somebody in their Happy Meal who hasn't tried it yet, because I think it's another one people won't pick up because of the scent notes. And also, even on like Cold Sniff, me and Corey were like, nah, that one's a little bit, like Corey was like, absolutely not. And I was like, it's a maybe. I loved it on warm. So just saying. And then the last little cup we have, before we talk about just like the 2 other samples that came in here, is the September scent of the month, which, so funny, my kit is supposed to arrive tomorrow, which has these bars in it. So one day advanced smell of this. I'm excited. It's Scary Good. And I love that they called this Scary Good. Like that's such a fun play on the name of this scent. I don't have the notes with me because I'm clearly not prepared, but I think, and we'll talk about them tomorrow since my kid's supposed to come tomorrow, but I think it's like pumpkin, butterscotch for sure, some kind of cinnamon-esque. I might need the scissors. I do have the scissors in case I need them. We're busting them out. But I know I've watched some people talk about this. Like I said, my bad. I watched some spoilers. Don't hate me. But I know Lisa Rowberry was like, it smells like pumpkin marshmallow, but like better. And I was like, now I'm nervous because I don't really like pumpkin marshmallow. But because like one of the notes I think is pumpkin puree. Wow. Could I murder this anymore? Like, why does it look so bad? Good thing that this is for me. And anyone can get a Whiff box and like get this perk of being able to smell the next scent of the month. This is not a consultant only thing. If it's in the Whiff box, it's for everyone. Ta-da! Okay. It kind of does smell like pumpkin marshmallow, but maybe that's in my head because she said that and I watched her video this morning. But it definitely has like spice to it where pumpkin marshmallow did not have spice. Okay, yeah, I feel like I'm getting a little bit different of notes. The bottom is spicy, spicy. It definitely has like a nutmeg or a something on the bottom. Gosh, I wish I knew what the notes were. The bottom has the spices for sure. Wow, okay, spicy on the bottom. 100%. The top is reminding me less and less of pumpkin marshmallow now that the spices are coming out of it. I would say this is spice heavy. So if you're sensitive to spice, warning. But also in your open concept, it might dissipate very, very nicely. Okay, it's like kind of reminding me of a craft store, that type of vibe. Bottom really spicy, but sometimes the more open concept you get, the better the spice dissipates. We will talk about the full bar tomorrow when my official kit comes. And then the last two things in this box are 2 laundry samples, one in the Scent Soft of Clothesline and one Clothesline Laundry Liquid. And I literally just finished my Clothesline washer whiffs, which is so funny. So I may end up gifting these out to people, or I may pair these with my Ocean washer whiffs. Not yet decided, but I love the Scent Soft. Highly recommend trying it. Like, I love the Scent Soft. It's amazing. So this was a huge value of the Whiff box. I'm so freaking excited. Like, this was an amazing Whiff box. So it is still available, even though it is the end of the month. It's still available while I'm filming this if you want to check it out. If you have a Scentsy Club subscription before the end of the month going in over $60, you can get a Whiff box at half price. Definitely a good deal. But also you can just get it regularly through your Whiff box to the end of the month or while supplies last, and just order regularly off the website. Great value, highly recommend. You do get a sneak peek of the October scent of the month, which I am gonna warm probably tonight because I'm really interested in it. So there you have it, people. Thank you for watching this Whiff box video, even though it was so late. Maybe you guys just wanted to know my opinions, or maybe you guys haven't seen another video yet. I would be shocked if that was the case. Thank you for hanging out with me and supporting my Scentsy business. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll chat with you next time. Bye.